Hey everyone, I'm Emma, here at VendSoft. Today, I'll guide you through the essential first moves you need to make when you start using VendSoft, your quick start roadmap. For more detail on any step, explore the bite-sized tutorials linked below this video. Let's jump in. Let's start with inventory. The first thing you should do is create your products and set up initial inventory quantities and costs. This is done on the inventory screen. When you create a product, some of the details you can fill in are its name, code, type, units per case, and the product's barcode. After you create your products, you will be able to view and manage them on the inventory screen. Next, create locations. Go to the Locations section and create records for the locations where your vending machines are placed. Define the location's name and address and hit Save. Once you do that, you can also head to the Map section to make sure it is positioned correctly. You can set up commission rates by going to the Configuration section and selecting the type of commission and its amount. You can also add the tax rate percentage. Step 3. Define your machines. Go to the Machines section and create records for all your machines. For each machine, you need to select its type. Then enter its name in the description field. Once your machine is created, you have to define the machine's configuration. What products are placed in the machine, at what positions, vend prices, and product quantities. You do so through the planogram tab of each machine where you add the products. You can specify the selection, capacity, vend price, and last fill level. Once this is done, here is the moment where you connect your telemetry in case you are using card readers on all or some of your machines. Read more on that in our Help Center. You can find all relevant links below this video. Next, install the machine at its location. With this step, you define at which location belongs a particular machine. Next, create a service trip. Now that your master data is set up, you can create a trip and service your machines. Go to the trips screen. This is the place where you can view and manage your trips. Enter its date, optionally write a description, and assign locations or separate machines. Once you have created your trip, open the VendSoft mobile app. Download the mobile application from the App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store on Android. In the mobile app, click the Download Trip button to receive the trip on your device. Here, by going to the Enter Trip Results section and selecting a machine, one team member can use the pick list functionality to prepare ahead of time exactly which products need loading for each machine, while the driver, or the same person, services the machines next. This is done through the Confirm Ending Inventory screen, where you record the actual stock left and any products refilled during the visit. At the end, go back to the home screen and upload the trip to sync its data with the web interface, all without a single sheet of paper. Lastly, review and analyze reports. Head to the Reports section where you can find two types of reports. Trips data reports, they summarize everything captured during service trips, sales, cash, and product movement. Telemetry data reports, they stream real-time sales from your card readers between visits. So, there you have it. VendSoft provides a start-to-finish workflow that keeps your machines stocked, your routes efficient, and your profits growing. For deeper tutorials on imports, telemetry, and more, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and welcome to VendSoft.